Boat is an Indian electronics company founded by Aman Gupta and Sameer Mehta in 2016. The company specializes in designing and manufacturing a range of audio products, including earphones, headphones, speakers, and related accessories. Boat has gained significant popularity in India in recent years, especially among young consumers, due to their stylish designs, affordable prices, and good quality products. The company's products are available through a variety of channels, including online retailers like Amazon and Flipkart, as well as through traditional brick-and-mortar stores. In addition to their focus on producing high-quality audio products, Boat has also been active in promoting music and other aspects of popular culture in India. They have sponsored a number of music festivals and events, as well as partnering with various artists and influencers to help promote their brand. Overall, Boat is a fast-growing Indian electronics brand that has gained a significant following in a relatively short amount of time. They are known for producing stylish, affordable, and high-quality audio products, and have been successful in tapping into the cultural zeitgeist of young Indian consumers.